Another document that we have that I recently learned about and realized how important is a memorial services memorandum. About 2 years ago, my father passed away, and I was in a funeral home with my wife, and I spent 3 hours being asked questions. And I didn't know these questions. I didn't know what high school my father went to. I didn't know what military awards he won. I didn't know what organizations he was a member of. It just wasn't something that we talked about. And that's often the case, that people aren't talking about those things. And I proceeded to go through this process and didn't know the answers to the questions, and we kind of had to call people and ask the questions. It was really not what I wanted to be doing for a couple hours in a funeral home. At that moment, it just wasn't something I wanted to think about. And I said, how can I solve this problem? And as a result, we later on went through and thought about the questions we were asked, and we created a series of questions that are included in our estate plan that our clients at their leisure, when they're ready and if they're ready, can answer and save their heirs the uncomfort that I went through on that day when that was the last thing that I wanted to be doing. Call us today.